Sorry, guys, that ran a little long. If I'm a member of the Republican Party, I'm expected to vote for the Republican candidate if he wins Wisconsin, and I'm voting in the Electoral College. Now, some states have fines that forces you to vote, or at least tries to compel you to vote for the person that you're supposed to. Some people have changed their mind or voted for someone else on occasion, but usually, that's not too much of an issue. Another drawback of the Electoral College, if there's no majority winner, the election goes to the House of Representatives, and the House gets to choose. But the House doesn't choose by a total vote of the 435 members. One state, one vote. So in this case, although the House is controlled by Democrats, Trump would win because there are more states, there are more Republican congressional districts, more Republican states, than there are Democratic states who would get the vote in the House of Representative election. So, very interesting. Why do we still have it? Well, does it do anything good? Does it give regions voices? Does it give small states a voice? If it was a popular vote, who would ever go to Idaho and Wyoming or Montana or, very, sparsely populated states? We don't necessarily want an election run between New York, L.A., Dallas, and Chicago. Maybe there are reasons that we do have the Electoral College that benefit sort of at least small states, at least regionally. Should we change it? Is there incentive to change? Would we pass a constitutional amendment to abolish the Electoral College? It's a great question. It has worked for a long time, even though it's been complicated and not without controversy. This is something you guys are going to be looking at and talking about in your paper next week. So, thanks much.